Say goodbye to freezing hands this winter. Introducing the Warmco hand warmers, a versatile rechargeable solution that keeps your hands cozy and doubles as a power bank for your devices. Let's dive into everything these hand warmers have to offer. So in this video is going to be an unboxing and a product overview. So let's get into it and let me show you all the different features that this hand warmers have. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the package, you'll find two Warmco rechargeable warmers, a USB-C charging cable, a user manual, and a sleek carrying pouch for added convenience. First impressions? The build quality feels premium with a smooth magnetic design that's compact yet sturdy, fitting perfectly in your hand. The Warmco hand warmers are packed with features to keep you comfortable and connected. A 10,000 mAh battery capacity powered by 5 times 5,000 mAh cells provides up to 9 hours of warmth. 3 adjustable temperatures levels, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Let you choose the perfect heat for any situation. With this magnetic design, the two warmers snap together for easy portability or separate for sharing. Plus, it doubles as a USB-C power bank, keeping your devices charged on the go. Now let's test the performance. The hand warmers heat up in just 3 seconds, providing instant relief from the cold. We've got 3 temperature settings. Low, which is 95 degrees Fahrenheit for gentle warmth. Medium, which is 104 degrees Fahrenheit for moderate comfort. And high, which is 113 degrees Fahrenheit for those extra chilly days. The long-lasting battery ensures you stay warm all day, whether you're commuting, hiking, or working outdoors. Comfort is key, and these hand warmers deliver. Their ergonomic design fits naturally in your palm, even when you're wearing gloves. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply walking the dog, the Warmco hand warmers are a game changer for staying warm and powered up. And when your phone runs low on battery, simply connect it to the hand warmer. It works as a portable charger to keep you connected wherever you are. So a great feature with this product is that it has the dual charger right here. All you do is plug in either with the USB-A or with the USB-C. You plug this into the wall unit and then you're able to charge both units at the same time. So when it's charging, you see the blue lights flashing to let you know how much charge that it has. The Warmco hand warmers are more than just a winter essential. They're a reliable companion for warmth, comfort, and convenience. Click on the link below, grab your set today, and experience the perfect blend of innovation and practicality. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.